This video is in honor of Mother's Day. This is the week leading up to Mother's Day, and I want you to think of maybe not your mom, or maybe your mom, the mom that packed all your stuff for school, made you lunches, showed up to all your games. I want you to think of the mom that was at work and earning for you so you could have the life that you have. I want you to think of your friend's mom that took you on, that loved you unconditionally and supported you in their house and treated you like their own. I want you to think of the mothers before us that had so many trials and tribulations and have persevered to let us sit and stand here today. And I want you to think also of those moms that maybe weren't as successful as they hoped to be. They had more struggles than they knew how to overcome, and you're still standing here. I want you to think of those people during this week for Mother's Day, because it's not just about the moms that bake the cookies and show up for the things. It's about all the moms and all the past generations of people that have shaped us into the people that we are today. I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I help working moms move through their past and be really present in their present. And I teach meditation, and I love doing it because it teaches busy working moms how to be present in their life and move through those generational things. So today I want to talk about a gratitude practice, and what we're going to do is write a thank you note to ourselves. So if you're watching this, you're a working mom, and you're going to go ahead and take out a piece, your favorite piece of paper to, you would write a thank you note to somebody that you actually care about, and you're going to write a note to yourself. You're going to write, dear, whatever your name is, I love that you do XYZ. I love when you do, I'm going to give some examples. I love when you go to this grocery store and buy healthy food for our house. I love that you hired somebody to clean our house so we always have a clean house. I love that you show up to my events. I love that you work really, really hard for our family. I love that you know how to take breaks. I love that you're not always on your phone and you know how to put it down. All those things are the thank you notes that you're going to write to yourself. You're going to write to yourself. Those are things that you do as a working mom, that you're grateful that you do it, and so are the people that you actually care about. Writing a thank you note to yourself may seem silly, but it really is helpful to see where you stand and to give yourself a little gratitude. Pat your own self on the back. You're the person that lives with yourself all day long, so be proud of you. And if you need a little space to get into this thank you practice for yourself, feel free to click the link below for a 5-minute guided meditation. And remember that the calm and peace that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people. And I'm so happy that you're here. Happy Mother's Day.